state of Telangana. And let me pick up, if there is a headline that we have to get in this election, then Telangana is one of the states where people said there will be a churn. Are we getting a headline out of Telangana? Let's take a look at the numbers. And numbers for Telangana coming up on your screen. 9 to the BJP, 7 to the Congress party, 1 to the others, which would be one of Asaduddin Owaisi, AIMIM. But despite having a state government, despite the Bharat Jodo Yatra and the advantage in the assembly elections, the Congress unable to hold on to the groundswell in Telangana. Bharat Jodo gone, everything gone. BJP gets 9. From 4 to 9 is more than 100% increase.
Yeah, Navika, let me tell you, where Telangana is concerned, the BRS has completely exploded, imploded, whatever you want to call it. That beneficiaries are both going to be BJP and Congress. We know that. I think at the end of the day, I think the numbers will be reversed. I do think BJP is going up significantly. It might add 4 seats. But I think the Congress will be at 9 and the BJP will be at 7 or maybe lower. But I think BRS is definitely out of the game.
I come from Telangana. I had extensively traveled in Telangana since January. I can tell you this 9 has a potential to go up to 11. On February 7th, 2024, in Times Now, I said BJP is certainly winning 7. It was in February 7th. Now today we are on June 1st. I can tell you this can go up to as high as 12. There are only 2 waves. Heat wave, Modi
give 17. Wave. Give all 17.
No, I'm not giving all 17. I'm saying there is a reason behind it.
Why?
Because if you look at, say, places like Nizamabad, 70-year-old problem of turmeric board, which they've been asking. And this MP who defeated KCR's daughter brought turmeric board to Telangana.
Okay, so let me bring in Sabah.
Ram Mandir. It's development.
Okay, let me ask Sabah Naqvi. Sabah Naqvi, anti-Modi and the actions of the agencies. Telangana was another state where BRS made a huge song and dance about K. Kavita's arrest, and so did the India Alliance, because Arvind Kejriwal, liquor scam, K. Kavita, hasn't cut any ice on the ground in Telangana. So if these numbers are anything
to go by. In Telangana, there was a very, the BRS was created with defections from the Congress, if I'm not mistaken. And now, so you're seeing a party created by defectors, now losing the defectors, move on to greener pastures. This is what you have. The BRS was a breakaway group from them, and it had full of, even the Congress chief minister, they should worry about it. He's originally from Chandrababu Naidu's.
No, ABVP, and before that ABVP.
So I'm just saying, Andhra Pradesh is a state that epitomizes undivided AP in YSR Reddy's time, was the state which has the most millionaires. It had the most lavish anti-poverty handouts to people, which is a good thing, but it had the biggest examples of cronyism. Cronyism was visible in the state. So it created certain models which are visible in both Telangana and in Andhra Pradesh.
So you're saying the BJP gains, not surprising?
I'm saying the BJP has completely taken over whatever was left of the BRS. The structures they have taken over.
I agree with what Sabah is saying. Because BRS was started for a single reason, separate Telangana. That has been achieved. Now there is no business for BRS in Telangana.
Well, let's wait and watch. Telangana, these are the vote shares. The Congress has a larger vote share, 36%, BJP at 31%, others at 33%, yet BJP gets the maximum seats out of this, and that seems to be concentrated vote.
Exactly. See, because where BJP is present, Adilabad, Nizamabad, Karimnagar, Chevalla, Zahirabad, Mahbubnagar, Secunderabad, and these places. So what happens in these places, the winning margin will be very high. But in places like Khammam, Mahmudabad, Peddapalli, and even in places like Warangal, BJP would be lagging behind. As a result of which, victories by BJP will be bigger margin and defeats also will be by bigger margin.
Okay.
And Congress has got presence in all the 17 constituencies in Telangana. BJP is fighting in 13 and winning in 9 or 10.
Well, let's look at
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।